Do daycare taxes have you so stressed out you have no idea what you're doing? Well, that stops today. We have been going over the Tom Copeland Family Child Care Record Keeping Guidebook together, and today we were going all over the expenses that you can deduct. You can deduct advertising, your vehicle expenses. However, there are two rules to this. You need to make sure that the primary purpose of where you are going is for your business. According to Tom, the second rule is that you need to keep sufficient records of where you went and the mileage. Car insurance, a portion of it is deductible only if you are doing the actual auto expense deduction. You have employees, and if you paid them anything beyond their wages, that is also a tax deduction. Business liability insurance is health insurance. If you are not allowed to get health insurance through a different employer, through like such a spouse, renter's insurance would be a time-based percentage. Same thing with your homeowner's insurance. Workers' compensation insurance is 100% deductible for yourself and any employees. You can actually deduct the interest of items that you have purchased for your business, such as if you put any supplies on a credit card and you have interest, you can deduct that interest just for the business supplies. The tax preparation fee to your business is 100% tax deductible. For example, if your tax fees are $400, $200 of it's personal, $200 of it's your business, you can take that $200 and write it off for the following tax year. Office expenses, and this goes back to a time-based percentage if you are using them both for your personal home and your business. Books, any books that are for your business for professional development or for your daycare are 100% tax deduction. Any bank charges, have any overdraft fees that you are charged that are from your business, you can write that off. Any computer software subscriptions or membership fees, such as Brightwheel, 100% tax deduction. Any of your professional training that you have to take, your CPR, your cell phone bill, and your internet. Any repairs and maintenance to your personal home are a time-based percentage. Where the list gets real dirty, follow along. 100% supplies write-offs include, examples are aprons for kids, arts and crafts, toys, balls, beads, baby dolls, your swings, your cribs, your cots, the sheets, the blankets, the pillows, the high chairs, the cups, the plates, and the forks that are just used for daycare. The list goes on and on and on. Any licensure fees that you have to pay to have your license through the state or anything else. If your fire extinguisher checked, that's tax deductible, and that's going to be 100% tax deduction. If you travel away overnight for a business trip and the sole purpose for that trip is for business, a training, etc., you can write off 100% the travel fee expense and the meals. Your utilities are a time-based percentage. Other expenses include toys and food. If you choose not to do the standard meal deduction and track your meals that you serve, instead you want to go through every single receipt, you're going to have a category for food.